Hello everyone! If you love big rings made with beads, so you're at the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful big ring. So here it is on my finger. So let's start. So you will need some faceted beads. So they are not completely round, as you can see. These are 8mm. We are going to need also 6mm faceted beads, so 4 of the 8 and 4 of the 6mm, and bicones beads. So in total we will need 18, and I choose to have 2 colors, so 12 of this color and 4 of this color. You're going to need some fishing line, and it's important to choose the thickness that is no more than 0.25mm, because we will going to need to go through the seed beads multiple times. And we're going to need some seed beads. In my case, I probably will use this color. So for the fishing line, I already cut approximately 80 centimeters. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold our string in two, so these are both ends. And I'm going to start with the big faceted bead, so the 8mm, and put it in the middle of our string. Then I'm going to put one seed bead in each string, like this, and follow it by a 6mm faceted bead. So you're going to have this result. So now we're going to take one seed bead, put it in one string, and then we're going to cross the second one in the same seed bead. So here you can see, and we're going to pull all the string down. So you end with a result of like a triangle shape. Now what we're going to do is basically do the same thing symmetrically. So we're going to put 2 6mm faceted beads, 2 small seed bead, and 1 8 faceted bead, and we're going to cross the string on it. So 1 6 faceted bead in each string, 1 small seed bead in each string, and 1 8mm faceted bead. And as you can see, I crossed both string inside of it. Let me show you again. So here it is. So this is how we make the base of our ring, but we need let me show you. So this is like this part of our ring, the base of our ring. Now we need to complete the 2 other faceted beads and the small bicones that are all around. So what we're going to do is take both ends again, and in each end I'm going to put 1 seed bead, followed by a bicone. I'm going to use the color that is only 4 pieces, so the gray one. So 1 bicone in each string, followed by again a seed bead in each string, again sorry, not again. Now we're going to put the 8mm faceted beads, again 1 small seed bead in each string, followed by the gray bicones in each string. So now we use it all our gray bicones, and follow it by a seed bead in each string. So you end with something like this. So let me show you how. Now we're going to continue. I'm going to put this down, flat down, so you can understand better. We take the string that is on the right, so I'm going to take the end of it, and I'm going to insert it in this faceted bead, so the one that is on the top, and we're going to go through it from the right to the left. like this. And we're going to do the same with the left side. So I take the end of the left side. I am going to go through the faceted bead from the left to the right. So that's it. So this is the entire base of our ring. So as you can see, it's quite nice. It looks like a flower. So now we are going to do the top of our ring. So what we're going to do is take some seed bead again. I'm going to take both ends and insert 2 seed bead in each string. So 1, 2, and 1 and 2. I grab 2 bicones, the other color. Now I'm going to use the clear color. So I'm going to put 1 bicone in each string like this. And at this moment I'm going to take both strings together, like if it's only one, and put 1 seed bead. So the seed bead will go through, the strings will go through 1 seed bead. I keep both strings together, 1 bicone, another seed bead, another bicone, and another seed bead. So I pull everything, so you end up with this. So here we're going to take apart again the strings like this, and I will insert 1 bicone in each string, followed by 2 seed beads in each string, like this. So again, I'm going to put my work flat so I can show you what we're going to do next. Okay, so now we take the end of the right side, and again we are going to enter this faceted bead from the right to the left. So from the right to the left, and the other side, the left string, also is going to enter the same bead, but this time from the left to the right. So what happens when you pull all your strings? The bicones that we made are going to position themselves on the top of our flower base. So as you can see, this is the result. So now we need to do the same thing, but in this direction. So we need to position our strings starting from one of the faceted beads. So this one is going to enter from the seed bead, the bicone, the seed bead, and through the faceted bead. So if you have a needle for seed beads, you can help yourself. Sometimes it's easier, but I get used to work with my fingers, so that's why for me it's easier. But for beginners, sometimes needle can be very helpful. So this is the first string. Now we're going to take the second string, and it's going to go all around all these beads down until it comes up to the faceted beads. So this ring is very elegant. So I made a lot of this one in different kind of color. So tell me in the comments what kind of combination you would like to see, and with which outfit would you wear it. So here we are. Just pay attention because here, as you can see, it went through the seed bead, but we don't need it to go so far. So I'm going to just put it down, and voila. So now basically we're going to repeat the same steps that we did here, but this time it's going to be this side. So we keep both strings together and we put 2 seed beads in each string. Now we put 1 bicone, clear bicone, in each string. Once we put the 2 bicones, we're going to keep both strings together and put 1 seed bead, 1 bicone, another seed bead, a second bicone, and a third seed bead. So now we take apart both strings and put the 2 last bicones, 1 in each string, and 2 seed bead in each string. So again, I will put my work flat to show you what to do next. So these are all the seed and the seed beads and the bicone that we put on our strings. Now the right string is going to enter the faceted beads on the top from the right to the left, and the left string is going to enter the same faceted bead from the left to the right. And we pull all together, and as you can see, it's naturally going to position itself. So here is the final result of the top of our ring. So just to compare with the other one, as you can see. So now we have to do our ring so it can be worn on our finger. So to do this, it's a repetitive task. So what we're going to do is put 5 seed beads in each string, and then 3 seed beads that are going to be crossed with both strings. So let me show you. So we take the seed beads and we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in one string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the second one. Now we're going to put 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 in one string, and the other string is going to cross the opposite side. So this is our first loop. So I'm going to repeat this task again. So probably the video will be accelerated. So I'll see you when I get to the end. Okay, so now we are almost done. So I'm finishing the last pieces of the last loop. So the last loop, I'm not going to cross the 3 beads. So let me show you. So as you can see, here I put 5 seed beads and 5 seed beads, and I turn over my work, and I'm going to take the right string and put it in the top faceted bead that is in the opposite side, and it's going to enter from the right to the left. And same thing, the left string is going to enter the same faceted bead from the left to the right. And that's how we end up doing our ring. So now we just need to finish our work. So I'm going to enter with this string through all these seed beads, and the other string is going to enter all these seed beads and all the 3 that are here. So if you like this kind of content, don't forget to put a thumbs up, it's always appreciated. And to subscribe so you won't miss any other tutorial. So don't forget to pull all your strings so the work will be it won't be loose. So now I'm going to do some knots, like 5 or 6, because the fishing line tends to open easily, so when you do more there is less risk so they open. Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut like this. What we can do to be sure that our string won't open and won't be disturbing us in our finger, we can take a match and just approach it to our string so it will melt, and like this you are sure that no risk to the string to open easily. So here is our ring, so let me show you how it looks. I hope you liked this video and stay tuned for next time. Thank you. Bye.